Pivot table charts. In this video, we will see how to create pivot table charts. Pivot charts are nothing but normal charts which you normally prepare, but they are linked with your pivot tables. The changes made to pivot tables reflect in your charts, and it is very helpful to use pivot charts in case you have big data. If you want to create a chart out of your data, you first need to summarize it, and then only you can create a chart. Like with this whole lot of data, you cannot create a chart. Your chart will be too big. You first need to create a summary report, just like this we created in Get Pivot Data. You need to create some summary reports, and then only you can apply the chart. But in case of pivot charts, since they are linked to pivot table, they use a structure of pivot table for displaying the data in graphical form. Pivot table gives us analytics and pivot charts gives us visuals. So let's get started with pivot charts. To insert a pivot chart, you can just click your pivot table and go to insert pivot chart. If you have selected any one cell in your pivot table, then you can insert the chart directly from here also. See, like I am inserting a column chart. See, this column chart appeared, which is using the values of my pivot table. Please note that the row labels in your pivot table will become a axis in your chart, and column labels in your pivot table will become a legends, like or data series. Now in this case, 2015, 16, 17 are three legends, so they are put in the legend box. And east, north, south, west, these are the zones, but since they are in row labels, they are put in a x-axis. So please remember, row labels will become axis and column labels will become legends. If you change the position of these, like I am going to change now, show field list, I am taking years here and zone here. See, now zone became legend and year became my axis. Understood? It's very simple. You can change the type of chart by right clicking on it and change chart type. Instead of column chart, you can insert bar chart. Okay. If you make any change to your data, it will immediately reflect here. Just like I am just filtering out east and north. So from data also east and north will disappear. I am just switching back to column chart because it is easier to follow. Okay. If you are adding any new values to your pivot table, for example, if I am adding category to my pivot table, it will immediately add up in my chart also. See, in each case, gents collection, kids collection, ladies collection in east. Again same three collection in north. If I am changing this category and zone sequence, it will change immediately. Gents collection, kids collection, ladies collection into each one east, north, south, west. In this case, if I am switching the chart type to stacked column chart instead of clustered column, see, now each collection in comprised of three values, that is 2015, 16 and 17, right? East, north, south, west, gent collection in 4 zones, kids collection in 4 zones. So this is the benefit of using pivot chart. It will automatically update when you update your pivot table. So we saw how to insert a pivot chart when there is your pivot table is already available. If your pivot table is not available, then for example, if your want to create a pivot chart, but your pivot table is not available. You have not created a pivot table. Then you need to select your data, any cell. If it is in table form, then you can select any cell inside a table. Go to insert. Now in this case, you need to go through this option, pivot table, pivot chart. Okay, because now your pivot table is not there. It is there, but we are assuming that pivot table is not there. Only data is available. So go to pivot chart. Pivot chart. See, the same dialog which appears at the time of creating pivot table is appearing now. Just the heading is create pivot chart. It will create both pivot table as well as pivot chart. Blank pivot table as well as blank pivot chart. And just like pivot tables, you can drag and drop your fields. Number of bills, zone, number of bills. See, then years. See, it's so quick and so fast. It updates as soon as you update your pivot table. So this is about pivot charts. All the rules or all the limitations of normal charts are applied to pivot charts also. If you don't want to show chart here, you can just press Ctrl X and show chart on new worksheet. Your pivot table will remain on the original worksheet, and all the filtering and all you can do from chart also. See, there is a button here, zone. You can filter out any zone if you don't want. Now it's showing the data only for East. You can filter out years also from here. See, I am selecting only 2 years. Like this. Understood? So this is very easy and very useful also for presenting your data in graphical form. Thanks a lot for watching.